Okay, you gotta redo that shot.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2018 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT, and this will be a quick video showing how to clean and lube the chain. The chain should be cleaned and lubed whenever it's dirty, dry, or starting to rust, but how often that is really depends on how much water, dirt, and debris the chain picks up in your riding environment. It could need to be cleaned after every ride, or just once every few hundred miles, so at least take a look at the chain before each time you ride and clean it as needed. Anyway, cleaning and lubricating the chain is pretty simple, and it's basically the same procedure for any motorcycle with a chain, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Impact driver, socket wrench, socket extension, 1/4 inch socket, 4mm hex, 6mm hex, and a Phillips No. 3. For this job I also needed a stiff nylon brush, magnetic bowl, some rags, kerosene, a spray bottle, chain lube, gloves, and a rear stand. There are links in the description for everything I used. With the bike on a stand, I'll start by removing the front sprocket cover. I removed the passenger foot peg to make it easier to get to the chain guard. Make sure to put down some rags under the chain to catch all the gunk. I use kerosene to clean chains because it works great, it's safe on rubber, it's cheap, and you can find it anywhere. Use as much kerosene as you need and scrub all 4 sides of the chain. Use a rag to wipe it clean. This is a good time to wipe down the swing arm and the rear wheel too. Allow enough time for the kerosene to thoroughly dry, then apply your favorite chain lube to the rollers on the inside of the chain. I use a wax-based chain lube containing Teflon, which is often recommended for water resistance and easy cleaning. Now just reinstall the parts we removed earlier, and we're done.
Oakley dokley.
The chain slack adjustment video should be up soon, but check out my clutch adjustment video before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.
Yeah, man.